All right, guys, look, we just did a bait and switch. We finally got us a fisherman on the boat. We got rid of Andy, man. He just want to sell rods. We ain't worried about him. But look, I got me a fisherman on the boat with me now. If y'all recognize that face,
Flopping Crappie.
it's Flopping Crappie, man. Y'all check out the channel. Look, we're still out here. Yes, we still struggle fishing, but I got my boy on the boat, so now I gotta act like I know what I'm doing. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get out here. We're gonna keep fishing, man. Y'all know how it is. What's that?
My new PB white crappie. I already broke it today.
Okay.
Now it's on you to find another one because I gotta measure it this time.
Okay.
So that's the goal of this video. At the end of this.
And what's the new PB?
New PB was 231.
231. White crappie?
White crappie.
In Texas. Hey, y'all.
Yep.
You better get down here to East Texas and get you some of these hee-haw donkeys. But look, we got him in the boat. We don't want to lose daylight. It's 1 o'clock. It's time to rock. I do not want to hear that. Somebody's gonna, come on. Yep. I saw him coming up.
You got him?
Yeah, he got him. Any size?
It feels decent.
Work with him.
Yep.
Come on. Come on, get you some.
That's your live little fish right there.
There you go. I do the honors. Yes, sir. OFC in the place to be. Another. Or get shoulder eyes done, one of the two. Oh, those fish still there?
Yeah, there's some there. I think they're probably all
That's
so
what
black.
it is. We ain't pointing at the right tree no more. That's the right tree.
Oh, yeah.
You see yourself now?
Oh, those are some big fish. Those are some big fish.
Yeah, buddy. He's on you. Yes, sir. Ooh, you better get your mind made up. Woo, work with him. Come on, let me see what that ACC will do.
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
10-footers can both flip a bit.
Come on, man.
Look at that.
Come on, baby.
God dang, this is thick too. Look at that.
Yeah, that's what we call a big booty crappie right there.
Big crappie.
That's it right there, y'all.
On the live well, you can fish.
Yes, sir. Here, come around me in the middle. Boy, that was some good sized fish in there, Jay.
Yeah.
Here's one coming to you, Dad. No, to you, Davis.
Oh, he tapped it.
Yep.
He tapped it.
I'm looking right at him.
He tapped
Yo!
it. All right.
Hello, amigo.
Yay, yay, yay! That's it. Yeah, listen, I'll show you what we're snagging here in 1 second.
We can get them to bite. Trying to get one out of here.
Jig on bottom. Then we got a.
They keep moving from one side to the other. What they do?
Hold on.
Get him?
No. No, they had a bite. We got the jig on the bottom and treble hook up top. You just, when you set hook, try to hit something.
There you go. There you go.
He ain't big.
No.
Nah, he's giant. Little old bitty blackfish. No, that ain't hee-haw worthy just yet.
Front line going out to the side of that tree. Hook him on the front line.
Yeah. Y'all doing all right, man?
We are, man.
You guys?
I like you both, man. That's what you're in.
Thank you, man. Thank you. That's another good one, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Oh, there we go again.
Yeah, Hook City ain't getting in on the action.
He missed. Oh, look at that.
What I got.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Don't want what I got.
Yeah, come on.
Father like son.
So, guys, I want y'all to meet somebody real quick. This is Charlie Burrow in the white, and he has his buddy with him.
Miller's boy here.
Okay. And those guys are some crappie fishing folks, y'all.
Oh, I'm telling you. I'm going to show you what fools we are.
Come on, let me see what you're talking
I
about.
know Ken. Oh, Ken, Miller, don't let that get over there. I got
No.
insurance.
We all right.
You know, I know Hook City, he likes to holler. What is it?
Hee-haw. Hook City holler, hee-haw.
My last name being Burrow,
Okay.
you know. Oh, these are little ones here.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, Lord.
Walk up toward the front of the boat so I can get a good look at it.
Oh, Lord. Oh.
Oh, wait a minute. He pulling him in. He pulling him in. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Oh, and he's got a brother in here.
Uh-huh.
Where's that big one?
Find them two big ones we just caught.
Oh, them not the big ones y'all are grabbing. Look.
2.4 and a 2.5 right over there.
Mine.
Yes, Lord.
Yeah, them some big ones there.
I caught a 2-4-1, 2-5.
Ooh, that's what I'm talking about.
Next drop.
Yeah, next drop. Charlie picked the wrong one.
But
Look at here.
It's good Lake of the Pines fish.
Look at there.
Whoa,
It's a pretty fish.
Yeah, it is.
something to see there.
He ain't got no YouTube channel, so don't even try. We're not worried about him no more.
No.
Back on me, because I'm feeling unimportant right now with these little bitty fish in my box.
We caught these fish on Palestine.
Caught them on Lake Palestine, Texas.
We caught these on Palestine.
There you go, man. I've been catching a lot of fish. Come on, Dad. Yeah. Come on. Come on, Hook. Come on. Touchdown.
All right.
Touchdown. What you got there, Pops?
I got a little.
Yes, sir. Got a little something.
A little something.
Here you go.
Nice, man. Jig, but let's just catch some fish.
Yeah. Ooh, glad I saw that.
Oh, you can see the stuff.
Yeah, that's what Dad was just saying.
Oh.
Yes, sir. That's a big one, too. That's a big one, Davis.
I don't know.
Yeah, but he ain't. Yeah, I told
Oh.
I told you that was a big one. I told you that was a big one. Yes, sir. Nice job, man. Y'all see it?
Fat black crappie.
Yeah, it is.
They're all fat on this way.
They're eating, man. Fall time, it's the best time to be here, you know? Yeah, crappie, 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 crappie. You ever heard anybody call in crappie?
Crappie?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that your call?
Mm-mm.
You sell that?
No. You ain't never heard nobody call in crappie?
No.
You gotta get down
Up there
here.
it's all walleye.
Right, you ain't lying. Everything's wildlife.
Walleye.
Down there.
Come on, Daddy.
Get them.
Might stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Take your time. Take your time. Big black. You got him. He hooked well. He hooked well. Come on, Dad.
Yeah, here you go.
What you got, man?
Crappie.
Another.
Another black crappie.
Yes, sir. Come on, Hook City.
All right.
Nipped it.
He's going for it.
He nipped it twice. My God. I hate when them big fish do that, man. Just nipping. I really don't want it. I just want to screw with you a little bit.
There you go.
Get him.
Man, you missed that fish. You joking.
I'm not joking.
Get
I
him.
miss him.
Oh, man.
That's a nice one.
Oh, come here, big. Come here, Biggie. Biggie. Meet Miss Piggy. Come on now, come on now. I know that hook hurt. I'm trying to get it out you. Yeah, do that a couple more times.
They ran off.
Did they run off? Ooh-wee. They're on the right way.
That is Charlie over there.
Oh, yes.
Where is it?
He hollered too.
Over there.
He hollered. Man, guys, there's another good fish. If I can get him. Another good one, y'all. Tell you what, man. Them big old solid black crappie, they fun. Man, them fish are in the same exact spot. They're in the same exact spot.
Okay.
Yeah. Right, just drop straight down. You ain't got to pitch that. See it?
Okay. Behind you.
Daddy, you falling below him. You on his head. Y'all are both trying.
Come on, fish.
Who gonna get it?
Oh. I'm gonna move out of the way.
No, you
Yeah,
good.
you good.
Y'all are
You
far
gonna
enough
bite
apart.
somebody's.
Yeah.
Oh, fish just moved up.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. Come on.
Oh,
One's chasing yours. There you go.
come up slow. Yes, sir. See that hook set? Told you. That's a bad man right
Good thing
there.
we got strong rods.
Woo! Come on. Come on, let me see. Let me see what you're doing in the city. Boy, those are some heavy fish, man.
Yes, sir.
Turn around, let me get a good look at you. Hold him like you mean it. Hold him like you mean it, Hook. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby.
Cornmeal.
Cornmeal model.
I don't think I have. It's coming after yours. Hit it. Got him.
Got him. Boy, I'm messing up bad. It might keep.
Might not.
Put him in there with the rest of the sheep.
Well, I'm gonna see.
Mr. Little Bo Peep.
Now, whatever.
He's still there. Ooh.
I don't think.
Hmm?
I don't know.
Nah, you know when he big. He's decent. Oh,
Good fish.
dog. Woo! That might be a 2-pound black, bro.
Yeah. We close.
That's very, very close. Listen, I don't know how accurate my scale is, but God almighty, this dude done got on my boat.
You got a measurement too?
Oh yeah.
Just curious to see what she is.
I'm gonna go 14 and a half maybe.
14.
14?
14.
Come on, Dad.
Man, I just missed that.
Take your time.
Hey, that.
What we got?
189.
189. That is very
That's probably my
close.
PB black.
Is it really?
Weight wise.
Come on, man. We need a PB black. You gotta have a PB something. I'm gonna get your picture, man.
Man, did I hit the puddle in my mess?
Boy, don't shake your knees at him, Daddy.
This fish is here. He hit it, man. I just ain't catch it. He hit it twice.
That's a beautiful fish, bro. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Just like that, man, it is over. I'm done. I'm going back home because this lake ain't doing me right. I know everybody looking at me crazy like, why is that dude talking so loud and why is he talking so fast? Because I'm mad. Why am I mad? Because there wasn't a whole lot of hee-hawing going on for me. But this killer right here, y'all make sure y'all go check him out. Flopping crappie. What you got to say, man? Thank you for whooping me on my own boat.
No, thank you for putting me on my PB black crappie. 1.89 pounds. I will be back down to Texas this winter, Dallas-Fort Worth area, and you're gonna show me your secret hunting hole.
That's it. I'm gonna show it to you. No cameras.
Going for the PB white crappie next time.
There it is. And guys, don't forget we had Andy on the boat earlier. Good to see you again, man. Anything for the people?
Have fun.
Where can they find those nice ACC donkey snatching?
At the website, accrappie.com.
That'll work.
Instagram and Facebook. We'll see you.
That'll work. And we got friends. We just want to say hello.
Pat and JP, my good buddies.
Yes, sir.
My fishing companions.
And don't forget my main man,
Hook City.
we out.